Hello, in this video I'm gonna explain how you can use the same wallet on different cold wallets like Ellipal Titan 2.0. If you want to have the same wallet and access it on two different devices, for example, one at home and the other one in a safe, secure place, like a bank safe or a different country even, it gives you convenience and redundancy, which makes it just more convenient, as I said, but also more secure. You don't have to go and take your seed phrase to restore it on a different device and stuff like that. You can just have it set up on two. And to do it, you'll basically need two devices to have the same seed phrase entered, which will make them both have the same private keys, because crypto isn't stored on the cold wallet. Cold wallet only stores private keys. Crypto is stored in a public decentralized blockchain, and private keys are used to access that crypto. So the seed phrase is the thing that makes the device automatically generate those keys, which means that if you enter the same seed phrase on two different devices, they will have the exact same wallet. And if you are using a passphrase, then also that has to be entered correctly and exactly. The passphrase is case sensitive and space sensitive, so that's pretty important. And if you don't know about passphrases and want to learn about them, there is a video on the channel on how to use the passphrases, what are they, and how to set them up. Now let me show you how to create an account like with the same wallet, basically. So I'm just gonna add a new account and I'm gonna create it. And creating the account shouldn't happen in a room with cameras. Of course, I am recording it, but that's only because the account I'm gonna create is something that I won't transfer any money on, so you can't see my seed phrase. But no one else, like in no any other case, you shouldn't show your seed phrase, because it's just it doesn't make sense later to use the cold wallet when everyone has your seed phrase, right? So let's create the account first. I'm gonna type in a name, whatever, then the password. Password has to be repeated. Now, as I enter it, you can enable the passphrase. Of course, there's a video on it. And then click on create now, and now click on backup seed phrase. And here you have things that you need to keep in mind, and please read those carefully. Seed phrase is important for asset safety, and once lost, you will never get your account assets back. This is very important. Then seed phrase will not store in or be exported from Ellipal, which means that this is the only chance that you can back up your seed phrase and back it up in a safe place without cameras. Now click on backup now, and it also says do not use any internet connected device to back up your seed phrase. Either write it down or use a device that doesn't and will not have internet access ever, because it will make it unsecure. And make sure that once you save it down, of course, it'll be once you write it down, it'll be saved in a very secure place. Now I am gonna take a picture of it, but it's only because I'm not transferring and using any money on this account. If I did, then after showing you this seed phrase, if I had even 1 cent, you could use it. You could just get it by entering the seed phrase on your device in your cold or hot wallet. Now I'm gonna take a picture of it, as I said. Now let's click on next and tap on the seed phrase, on the seed phrases, just to fill in the gaps here in the correct order. So the 5 is gonna go first because this is the first field that's empty, and I need to correctly enter it here. And you can clear it if you make a mistake. Once it's entered, click on Verify Seed Phrase. Now the backup is successful. Let's select the coins that you want to use on your account. You can select all, I believe. I don't know why it doesn't work. I can also unselect all. I'm gonna unselect all. Let's click on OK. Now let's move on. Let's act like from now on I'm gonna be using a different device, and let's just add an account here. So I have this account with that seed phrase. Now click on Add Account, and let's say this is the other device, and you'll need to recover via seed phrase. Then enter the whole seed phrase exactly in the order. And it's not really case sensitive here, so it doesn't even show you the caps lock because it's not case sensitive. Now I'm gonna enter all of these. There are 24 words, or if you use a passphrase, then it's called a 25th word, basically. And yeah, you'll also need to enter that. Remember that the passphrase is case sensitive and space sensitive. I'm gonna get back to you when that's fully entered. Now once I have it entered, let's just set the account name. Then the password, of course, to that account. So as you may notice, the password is pretty important because you're gonna use it for any type of assignments that you're gonna do, and for some other stuff. So it's pretty important, as I said. Let's click on Recover Account. And you can see that it says that the addresses already existed in that other account. But if you are using actually a different device, then this won't happen. I'm just gonna click on OK, but yeah, let's click on OK here. And you'll basically have, if you were using these two devices, on the one you were either creating the account or importing from a seed phrase, and on the other one you were importing the same seed phrase as on the first one, then you'll have exactly the same redundant wallet on two devices, which makes it pretty secure. Please make sure to secure your device in a very safe place. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next one.